Hi, for this assignment, we're going to learn how to create a customer front. Please note the customer front will come under the relationship buyer. And here we have the different details of the customer, the name of the company, the email, telephone, fax, CR number, VAT number, location, customer remarks, address, etc. A few things that we would like you to include in this assignment is email validation. As you know, validation can be done using regular expressions. So this would be a good time to practice that. Telephone number validation. Additionally, here the address is just a text area. uh, we would like you to use the Google Map component, interpret it, and then if you're comfortable with JavaScript, patch it to the corresponding fields. At least a couple of things you should be able to patch, and then the front should be created. You should do the business variable mapping, and that's about it. Thank you.